I got this electric lunchbox food warmer. Check this thing out. 110 volt. Should run on the car. Let's open this thing up, see what we got. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. So it came boxed up just like you see it, in a box about this size, and there was a little dent in the side, but I'm guessing that's not going to be too much of a problem. So what do we have here? We have the insulated, this is an insulated bag. Look at that. Insulated bag you carry it in, pretty cool. And that has a zipper on it? Does it have a zipper? It does. It has a zipper on it, so it zips. Better be careful with that, but it does have an insulated bag you can carry it in. And let's see. Wow, look at that. So 4 clasps on here. Look at that, there's a little tray in there for your silverware. How about that? Pretty cool. Looks like we have a, what is that? Little extra container for you there if you want to put some fruit or a side in there. We have, they gave me silverware with this. All right, there's a fork and a spoon that we can put in here, I'm assuming, right? Yeah. That's right in there. Locks in place. Okay, so we got 2 cables here. One, you can use this with your car charger. Right away, I can see this would be good for maybe guys, truck drivers, guys on the road, UPS guys, FedEx guys, guys that are out making deliveries every day. You want to have a nice hot meal. Here's a car charger for you. And we have the 110 volt regular normal outlet for this. So we can plug this into a normal outlet. There's a lamp light on here. Tells you when it's working. And yes, here's the removable tray you put your food in. Well, it's safe to wash this part. You definitely don't want to put this in the sink or the dishwasher. No, it doesn't say anything about being dishwasher safe, so this looks easy enough to just rinse out in the sink. This is the container where you put your hot food. Let's say you're getting ready to go to work in the morning or on the job. Got your silverware, put your silverware in here. You put your cooked food in here. Maybe if you want to bring some extra stuff with you, some fruit, cereal, whatever you want, throw that in here off the side for later. You're going to pack this thing up. You're going to throw it in here in your insulated bag. And you're going to go to work. When you get there and you're ready to eat, you just pull this thing out of the insulated bag. And I just noticed this too. It's got a handle here too. How about that? Pretty cool. All right, let's do a test on this thing. Here's what I'm going to do. All right, let's take this. We're going to plug it into the 110 volt household side, right there. So I'm going to undo the food container. I'm going to take this hamburger. Let's see how it warms this hamburger up. Matter of fact, I want to see what happens if I put some shredded, thick cut shredded cheese on it. This is the thick cut stuff. Throw a little of that in there. Oh god, I don't want to get it all over that tray. But, you know what, I will. I will for this test. Because I care. Alright, there it is. There's the test. We'll plug it in. The light comes on to tell me that it's working. Now I'm going to remove the silverware from here. Close all 4 clasps. There we are, and press the vent. It is 6:03 right now. It is now 6:33. Where I can feel a little bit of heat on there. This thing's heating up. Move with the handles if you want. Look at that. So let's unplug this guy. And let's see if it warmed up my hamburger and melted the cheese. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's sizzling in there. That baby's ready to go. I'm going to eat that right now. You can see the steam rising off of there. Oh yeah, 30 minutes and it totally heated up that hamburger to the point where it cooked the cheese on there. Pretty happy with that. So check it out, the 60-watt portable lunch heater. That is pretty awesome. Did a great job. You can take the other cord that comes with it, throw it in your work truck, throw it in your car, take it to work with you. Pretty awesome product. I like it. I'll be using it.